How do Python scripts take command line input? Imagine you are running a Python script and want it to do different things based on what you tell it at the start. How does that work? Well, Python has a couple of ways to get input from the command line or during execution. Let's explore how you can make your scripts flexible and interactive. First, there is the simple method of asking the user for input during the script's run. You can do this with the built-in input function. When your script reaches this function, it pauses and waits for you to type something in the console or terminal. Once you press enter, input takes whatever you typed and turns it into a string. Then your script can use that string to do whatever it needs. For example, you might ask the user for their name and then greet them. You could write something like print, enter your name, then name is equal to input, and finally print, hello name. This method is great for quick interactions and works well when you want the user to provide information while the script is running. Remember, in Python 2.0, input is the standard way to get user input. In older versions, raw input was used, but now input is the way to go. The second way is to pass information directly when you start the script from the command line. This is done through command line arguments. When you run a script, you can add extra words or numbers after the script name. For example, if you type Python misscript, py1020, those numbers are arguments. Inside your script, you can access these arguments using a special list called sysargv. The first item in sysargv is always the script's name, and the rest are the arguments you typed. So in this case, sysargv would be misscript, py1020. Your script can then convert these strings into numbers or other data types to control what it does. For more advanced handling, Python offers the argparse module. This tool helps you define what arguments your script expects, what type they should be, and even provides help messages for users. It makes your scripts more user-friendly and easier to work with. To run a Python script with command line input, you open a terminal or command prompt. You navigate to the folder where your script lives. Then you type Python followed by the script name and any arguments you want to pass. For example, Python misscript, py510. If your script uses input, it will ask you for input during execution. If it uses sysargv or argparse, it will process the arguments immediately when you run it. In summary, you can use input to ask the user for information during the script's run. Or you can pass arguments when starting the script to give it instructions or data. Knowing how to handle command line input makes your Python scripts more flexible and ready for different tasks. Whether you want interactive prompts or quick command line parameters, understanding these methods is key to running Python scripts effectively.